I can even roll in peace. Why? Everybody notice me. Yeah, I can even go to sleep. Why? I'm rolling on the beam. Yeah, they tried to get me.
Alright, so let's see what we got here today. Just kind of pre-open this real fast. So I ain't got to do it later. Let's see what we got in here. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got some goodies in there. Nice little stickers. Put that over here. Alright, so what we got in here? These are crank bolts. These are. Let me look that up to make sure. Pretty sure it's bolts. Got some super tape on here. There we go. Yeah, so this kit comes from Texas Speed. Yeah, we got some bolts in here. Alright. Got some bolts right there. We got I think I paid for this kit $800-900, something like that. We got some more bolts. We got some lifters, LS4 style lifters. You can see it, see that. There we go. So we got some lifters. Some more stuff. What else we got in here? Oh. We'll be. I know this. I know the camera ain't working. We'll be installing. Just change that tensioner. I will be installing this stuff. Well, I won't be installing it, but I'll be having it installed soon. So, I think these valve springs. Sounds like it. Yep, we got those going right there. Let's see what else we got down here. I see a cam down here. We got a custom cam. Oh, shit. We got a custom cam right here. Texas Speed. Not gonna show the specs just yet. We try to get it in, and then I'll post some specs on it. So we have, I think this is the valley tray. Here, that's all my gaskets down there. Yep. Ready to get this thing right. Transmission already been rebuilt. Still waiting on a couple parts before I put this car in the shop to get this done. I gotta wait on my LS3 throttle body. What else I ordered? LS7 mass airflow sensor. My top hats to go for my my intake manifold, so I gotta get that put on. My ZZP downpipe, I gotta get that put on before I get all this stuff put on, so that way when I get it, once I get it dynoed and tuned, I'll have all those mods to kind of support this stuff. So it'll be pretty good. Oh yeah, here's a little quick video. I'm gonna just keep upgrading this car, and gonna keep upgrading this car and trying to get as fast as I can, you know, before I get to my next project. So, unboxing of the Texas Speed DOD delete kit with cam and, you know, some other goodies with it. So I'll be posting a video once I get it installed of this thing chopping. So keep in tune.